everybody. I am Angela. I am your host and your host. Today it's my first video and we are going to cover the topic of air pollution, and under it we are going to cover the Bhopal gas tragedy. Basically you can refer your class 8 standard book. So let us start. That is Bhopal gas tragedy. On December 3rd, 1984, a poisonous gas called methyl isocyanate accidentally leaked from a pesticide plant in Bhopal, India, immediately killing thousands of people and injuring more than 3 lakh others. The smoke that engulfed the city was so poisonous that aftermath of accident has been serious. Generations suffer from multiple ailments. Further tons of toxic material dumped at the old plant is believed to have seeped into groundwater, thereby containing the water with poisonous substances. Some of adverse effects of this gas tragedy include disease of eyes such as cataract, conjunctivitis, poor vision, complete blindness in many cases, reduction in memory skills and motor skills, skeletal and muscular problems, high body temperature, low immunity, lung diseases such as bronchitis, breathlessness, and cough. So here we can understand, we will get to know that Bhopal gas tragedy generally took place in Bhopal, and it was the incident which took place on December 3rd of December in 1984. It was seriously too dangerous tragedy, and it killed many people. Here number is given that killing thousands of people and injured more than 3 lakh others. So it was from this number, the injury number and the killed number, we can understand it was huge tragedy, and it took place in Bhopal on December 3rd, 1984. Just remember the date, it will help you in the future. December 3rd, 1984. And what happened in that Bhopal gas tragedy? Let us understand. That was the poisonous gas called methyl isocyanate. The methyl isocyanate was leaked from a pesticide plant that was present in Bhopal. So it was leaked, and due to that poisonous gas, many people died and some got injured. And that poisonous gas is now also present there. After many years of Bhopal gas tragedy, the cause and the some diseases are also seen in the people or the children which born in the Bhopal near that site. So it was too dangerous, and here we can get to know that the tons of toxic material. So much of the toxic material was dumped in old plant is believed to have seeped into groundwater. So that poisonous gas or that is seeped into groundwater, which contaminated the groundwater, and the groundwater is pure form of water, and some of the people use it to drink or for their daily purposes. But when it was filled with poison or it became poison, there were many poison substances in that water, and that water got contaminated, and due to the uses of that water, many people got many different diseases. And we can see here that what were the effects of that gas tragedy. First was disease of eyes such as cataract, then poor vision and complete blindness in many cases. Due to that poisonous gas, these diseases happen to many people, and now also it can be seen the children which get born in Bhopal or near that site get some diseases like they get a skeletal or muscular problem, or they don't have that much of high memory skills, and lung diseases and bronchitis, breathless and cough. So friends, this was some important point about Bhopal gas tragedy. It is from 8th standard book. You can refer to it. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.